YouTube channel. Today's video is my unboxing my February Glossybox. This is the February Glossybox. So this is probably out of stock by the time I'm filming this, my February Glossybox. And I cannot wait to unbox it for you guys. I unbox this month's box. Everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below as well. I will leave my affiliate link as well down below so you guys can click on the affiliate link just in case you are interested in purchasing one. It will give you some money off as well. So, for those of you who don't know anything about Glossybox, Glossybox is a subscription service. You can choose the plan you like and you get a box just like this every month. Obviously not this kind of print every month, but you receive a beautiful box every month and it is filled with goodies, and the goodies are worth over £50. This box for this month is worth over £59, which is absolutely amazing. Again, everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys and my affiliate link, so please go and check that out. If you're interested in purchasing one, use my affiliate link and you will get some money off your first box as well. So now that's out of the way, so this month's Glossybox looks like this. Now when I saw it I thought, oh my god, it looks so cute. Look how it's designed. It's like designed as a tape and it is absolutely beautiful and I absolutely love it. I have actually peeked inside and know what's inside, and I cannot wait to show you guys because these products are amazing, absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to show you guys of what's literally inside this box. So again, everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below as well. If you have any questions about Glossybox that I've not gave you before, then please message me or leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So as I open this month's box, this is what it looks like. So it's absolutely beautiful and perfect. Again, I've already opened this, so I already know what's inside. If you don't know about Glossyboxes, you get yourself a little leaflet, and inside it tells you everything about the products, the original prices and everything else. And on the back it gives you a little sneak peek of your next month's box. So it comes gift wrapped like this. And without trying to tip all the products out, so I'm going to show you. Now, can you see some rare goodies in there? That's absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to show you guys. So, first of all, we have this. Now, this is a Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask. Now, I love lip masks. And recently, I think it's only since Christmas, I've only been loving Steve Laurent since Christmas, and their products are amazing, absolutely incredible. So having a Steve Laurent lip mask is incredible as well. I love these lip masks, they are absolutely incredible. If you don't know how to use these, it says here, Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask brings a burst of hydration to your lips whenever you need some extra love. It instantly soothes the lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines. So basically you just take it out of the packet, leave it, or put the little jelly lip things on your lips. It doesn't say exactly how long, but it's normally about 5 to 10 minutes. You leave it on your lips for 5 to 10 minutes and you get nice plumping lips. So thank you so much to Glossybox for putting that in. Now I saw this and I thought, what on earth is this? Now this is a Glow On Fifth Beauty Rose GUA Shar Facial Massage Beauty Tool. Now I've never seen anyone like this, anything like this before. And when I first got it out of packaging and I showed Nathan, he was just amazed of how kind of different products and everything we get. So this is a facial tool. Now, from what I read in my little leaflet, this facial tool is it says here, this facial massage tool helps contour your face and neck to enhance your features. So you just basically glide it across your face like that on your jawline and it enhances your features apparently. However, can also be used to tighten muscles using this over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes every day to flush drainage, increasing blood flow and circulation. So it's good for your skin as well, and it also gives you a nice face massage as well. Next I have is this. Now I absolutely love these kind of lipsticks. So this is the Nude Sticks Gel Colour Lip and Cheek Balm. It's in a beautiful red colour. If I get the lid off, there we go. It's in a beautiful, stunning red colour. I will swatch it for you guys as well. Look at that. How good is that? Love that kind of red colour. I don't actually wear red that much. Actually not at all really. But this would be very, very handy as well. Two bits to show you guys. So this little guy here, I will bring closer to you guys as well. Avent Argan Oil, Peony Sweet Almond, Sugar, Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Now I love lip scrubs, I absolutely do. I have loads of lip balms, but I've never had a lip scrub before, so thank you Glossybox for putting that in my box this month. And last but not least, I saw this, Nathan saw it, and we're in love with it. It is the Bubble Tea Peach Berlin Restoring Hand Cream, Soothes and Nourishes. Now I'm telling you now, we've already tried this. It smells incredible, literally incredible. If you've never heard of Bubble Tea Peach Berlin Hand Cream before, please, and I highly, highly, highly recommend this. Please go and purchase yourself one because it is absolutely incredible. We love it so much. It smells, oh, literally, oh, it smells so nice. I might actually put a little bit on my hands right now. If you are a lover of like sweet smelling sweets, I know it probably won't make any sense, but if you're a lover of sweet smelling sweets and love the smell of peaches, oh, then you will love this hand cream, trust me. So if you know someone who loves hand creams, or even just a person that's dealing with their hands every day and they can't stand the kind of feel of rough hands or horrible hands, then get them some hand lotions, because trust me, they are worth the money. This one is actually incredible. We love this one so much. There's also the Body Shop ones. They do loads. I've got loads of hand creams and hand lotions. Our favourite ones has got to be this one, the Body Shop ones, because you can get them in different flavours. And also, oh my god, what is it? I've forgotten the name of it now. But there is another one that we're absolutely in love with, and we can get like scrubs and stuff with it as well. It's absolutely incredible. Also, is another hand lotions as well. That's the one I was trying to think of. So Rituals hand cream, Body Shop hand cream, and the Bubble Tea hand cream as well. They are absolutely incredible. Like I said, I've got so many different hand creams. I can't go for all of them because if I did, it will leave me here till Christmas. I've got so much makeup and so much hand cream and body lotions and everything else. I need to go through all of my stuff, but I'm not doing that until I can get back into my beauty room, because what's the point of organising everything now when I'm going to be organising everything anyway when I get back into my beauty room? So there's no point of doing it twice, so I might as well just do it once. So I've got so many hand creams, but this is absolutely incredible. Again, if you love the smell of sweets or peaches, then go and grab your hands on this. I'll bring it closer for you guys just in case you're interested. Everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys as well. I do apologise if this month's box has been sold out. They sell out pretty fast, literally pretty fast. So if you are a lover of new products, hand creams, makeup, skincare, hair care, then go ahead and purchase yourself one of these every month. They are absolutely incredible. I get mine for £13 a month, and the money comes out at the beginning of the month on the 1st. So every 1st the money comes out. On the 5th your boxes will be dispatched, and they are absolutely incredible, and about a week later you get your boxes. How good is that? And one box every month is worth £50 or more. It's absolutely incredible. You get products in there that is so expensive. Let me find the most expensive thing in this box. Right, the most expensive thing in this box for this month is this Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, which is original price at £58. So £58 for that. And you can get loads of goodies for £13 a month. You can't say no to that. But yeah, that is incredible. Like I said, I purchased mine for £13 a month, and I receive a beautiful box every month full of lovely goodies. And I love looking at new products as well and testing out new products and thinking, oh, I want to try that out. If I like it, I'll buy some more. That is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. It has been unboxing of the February's Glossybox. Again, I'm working with them, but I'm not, if you guys know what I mean. I don't get gifted these boxes. I purchased them myself, so I'm not working with them, but I do have affiliate code for you guys. Everything you need to know will be in the description box as well. My affiliate code, the Glossybox link. If they have it, I will put the link down for this box as well if they still are on sale. If not, then I do apologise. But yeah, please subscribe now if you are fancying these boxes, and you will be able to get some money off on your March box. So I love you guys so much. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. And I love you guys so much. Please stay safe wherever you are. Mwah.